Collective intelligence plays a very important role in the Affinity process. The whole process is a team play between the people who define strategy and the people who know how to transform strategy into reality. In phase one of the Affinity process, the strategy-giving bodies, be it the board of directors, the CEO and his staff team, they clearly define their strategic intention. And that's the right way to do it, because these are the people who ultimately own the destiny of the company. So they need to decide and to define how the company is going to fight and position itself mid and long term. But once this strategic intent has been defined properly, other people become the experts on how to put things in place, how to transform this intention into reality. And these people are the program management with his project leaders and project teams. The program manager has to be carefully selected. It has to be either a senior executive of the firm or someone coming from the outside who knows how to drive such processes. And the project leaders, they need to be among the best of your company. We're talking about strategy here. We're talking about putting our future at risk. So we bring the best people in, the best subject matter experts, and they need to understand what the strategic intent is. And they have, if carefully selected and brought around one table, the maximum intelligence that you could ever have. There is no other group within the company or externally that reassembles that kind of amount of intelligence, individual intelligence, around one table. Now it's important to make sure that this intelligence becomes visible, that it comes onto the table so that the people themselves, in a good process, they can transform that individual intelligence into collective knowledge. Collective knowledge that is in the framework of the strategic intent, and that kind of defines how the strategic intent can be put in place. And if you now ask the same people who do the detailed planning on how to transform the strategic intent into reality to put things in place, to own the implementation of strategy, you get a maximum impact and you maximize your chances of success. This is the way how we believe that strategic change should be addressed and driven.